Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Alright, so we want to remove the upper part of the air filter box to get the air filter out. There's some clips over here. You're going to take your finger and just push it back like that. There's another clip right here. Push that one back. And over here on the front side, there's one more clip that goes like that. And then this last clip, you have to grab it from underneath and pull it up. Next, we can pull the air box up, grab the air filter, pull the air filter out. As you can see, this filter, it's not horrible, but it should be changed at this point. So we're going to show you how to reinstall this. Take the filter, just like that. You're going to get it lined up in this lower box. And then we'll push the upper box down. Once the upper box is down, you can start putting the clips on. Grab the clip from the back side and pull it up. Just like that. And we'll push this one down and then pull this last one up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.